For this activity, you'll need some white paper, you'll need some oil pastels or crayons, and you'll also need some black paint and a fork. But first we're going to color our paper with our pastels or crayons. You want to color the whole paper. Make sure all the white disappears. You can kind of scribble and color hard. You can blend your oil pastels together if you've picked up a mixed media kit or one of our other online instruction packages. They come with oil pastels, so you can use oil pastels from our kit, or if you have crayons at home, you can just do this at home with your crayons. And so you want to color the whole paper, make sure it all goes away. Use lots of colors. The more colorful, the better. If you want to do a color pattern or a color sequence, you can do it like that. I'm just doing random colors right now on my paper. Okay, and then we're going to get out our black paint, and I also need a paintbrush. And with the black paint, we're going to just cover over all of that coloring we just did. We're going to cover it all up with black paint, make it all go away. Cover the whole thing. Now this is sort of a messy craft, okay? I don't have a table cover down right now, but I'm going to get one here. So make sure you're doing this in an area that you can easily clean up, or if you or put down a table cover, table protector. Alright, now you're going to take a couple tools. We need a fork from your kitchen and also a pencil. The fork is good for doing multiple scratch lines at once. Okay, if you scratch through that black paint on your paper, it gives it this really cool rainbow line design. Okay, and then you can use your pencil to write specific messages or draw pictures. And super fun and easy. Thanks for watching.